Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is gonna be our first DIY for this year 2022. So in today's video is we're going to fix this side of the workshop, and I'm going to install this completely installed this gutter, and also fix this wall because as you can see, this particular wall is being hit by Bagyong Odette. So yeah, so basically what happened is this side of the wall is being flown away, and then most of my power tools inside is being wet. And yeah, so that's basically the main reason why this is gonna be our first DIY for this year. And let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Efren. I'm a designer and I also love building DIY projects. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like this type of content, then please give it a like and share it to those people you know that also like this type of content. So let's go. So now what we're going to do is install this type of gutter. So I already actually put a gutter in this side. So that is basically the water from this whole side of the workshop is going into this direction. So all the water is going dripping into this side. So basically that's the main reason why we put a gutter in here, and also just to direct all the waters to the side. And that will make this side of the wall be free from water if there's gonna be some leaks in the future with this wall. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in this side. So other thing that we're going to do is before we're going to install this wall is we're going to put some kind of beam in here just to offset these walls into this main frame, because as of the moment there is as you can see, there's some yellow plastic over here. So yeah, so this one is the stepper motor for the 4x8 DIY CNC build that I'm still working on. And that stepper motor is kind of getting into the space for the wall. If I'm going to put the wall in this side, then that stepper motor will hit the wall. So what we're going to do is put this 2x2 beam here. So we're going to put this one on the top, and also we are going also to put one at the bottom, just to make sure that this wall is being offsetted from this face for at least 4 inches. That would clear the area for the motor, and then that's the time that we're going to install this wall. So first is we're going to install this beam. So now guys, na-install ko na yung isa dun sa kabila. So now, I'm going to install this hot type purlins. So yeah, so this is gonna be on this side. So and guys, natapos na itong ditong banda. Then the next one is going to be the top portion. Now guys, I'm just going to use this F-flap. This one is just to hold the beam while I'm screwing it into this spacer. So now guys, natapos ko na install yung spacer and also yung beam. So yan, naka-install na up and down. So now I'm just going to check if this motor here is free from the wall. So I have here a straight 1x2 metal. So touching the top, touching the bottom, and sliding. Yeah. So and guys, I already have at least 1 inch of space between the stepper motor and the walling frame. So yeah, I think that's gonna be enough for this whole CNC to move freely. So now it's time for me to install the wall. But before I'm going to install the wall, we're just going to modify it. So now guys, this is what happened. So because we already put or installed a gutter on the top, and that makes the overall height of this walls going to be shorter. So this is the existing one. So this one is around 2.2 meters. So now what we have is, so I'm just going to take this measurement from the bottom of the gutter. So we have 205 centimeter. So now we're going to adjust this height of the wall, which is 2.2 meters to 2.05 or 205 centimeters. So that's gonna be the next thing that I'm going to do. So let's modify this one. So yun guys, natapos ko na install itong mga panels. Yan. And also yung gutter is na-extend ko na papunta doon. So yung tubig na papunta dito, supposed to be is na redirect na papunta doon sa kabilang dulo. And yung next na gagawin ko is i-cover ko to. So gagamit lang ako ng isang sheet ng ganito, plain sheet or GI na plain sheet dito, and also doon sa kabila kasi na-extend na to papunta dito para lang at least merong space para sa motor. So now is i-cover ko na to, and rin na yung plain sheet is i-bend ko na manually lang kasi malayo yung bending machine na nandito sa lugar namin. So i-manual ko lang. So tara, simulan na natin. So yun guys, ito na yung plain sheet na gagamitin ko. This one is a 0.3 mm thickness na plain GI sheet. So i-bend ko to base dun sa profile ng corner. So this one is the trickiest part because marami siyang bali compared dun sa isa na isa lang. So ito yung unahin ko para matapos na yung pinakamahirap, and isusunod ko na yung pinakamadali. So yun guys, natapos ko na siyang i-bend. Ito na yung kinalabasan, and then yung isa na cover doon sa bandang doon is na-install ko na actually, And itong isa is hindi ko pa siya na-install kasi nagkula ako ng screw. So dito banda is dahil malaki to, so ayan, I don't know if makikita ba ninyo. So ito yung profile niya, yan. So nakita nyo naman siguro kung paano ko to binend. So manually ko lang itong binend, and now is i-install na natin to, i-fix na natin to. And also this panels, i-fix na natin yung sa ilalim kasi as of now it's floating pa yan. So yan yung gagawin natin, and para matapos na tong project na to, and secure na tayo na hindi na tayo matatanggalan ng dingding. So yeah, so kailangan ko na itong tapusin, and I think uulan kasi medyo madilim na, though it's still 4:25. So yeah, so let's do this. So yun guys, nadikit ko na siya. So yung gagamitin ko na screw is Tex screw lang. So i-Tex screw ko lang siya dito sa labas. Then for this particular cover, because this one is a plain sheet and wala siyang gaano kapal, sobrang nipis lang niya. So ang gagamitin ko is ano lang, 1 inch lang na Tex screw. And then for this panel, and for these panels, so tatlo, dahil naka-float pa to, as you can see, yan. So hindi pa naka-attach sa ilalim. So ang gagamitin ko dito sa mga panels na ito is yung 2.5 inch na Tex screw. So yeah. So now guys, is kailangan ko pa siyang i-push up ng kaunti. Yan, para at least ano siya, naka-elevate. Yan, so lalagyan ko siya nito. So now guys, ito yung mga screw na gagamitin ko, Tex screw. So Tex screw. Guys, natapos ko na dito ang banda, itong covering na to. So sa ilalim naman tayo. Natapos na. So ito yung last na in-install natin na dito sa ilalim. Yan. Dito. So naka-screw na siya. So okay na siya lahat. And dito is okay na rin. So yan. Dito rin. So sarado na siya. Yung tanging paraan na lang para ma-open to is itong tarp for that one. So dito rin sa kabila. Yan. So this is the far part. So yan, naka-install na rin. So sarado na. So wala nang tubig na makakapasok dito sa loob ng workshop. And also dito sa taas, yan, as you can see is nandyan na yung gutter and naka-extend siya papunta dito na sa mga 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches. So yung tubig is dito na sa labas. Yan, so nakikita mo yung bantang dito. Yan yung tubig. Yan yung binagsakan ng tubig. So safe na yung mga power tools natin nasa loob, hindi na siya mapapasok ng tubig. And also dahil nandito na ako, so whatever happens, kung may storm or bagyo man, is masisirado ko itong aking workshop dahil yung tanging paraan na lang na masira man ito is itong aking covering. For now, this is a tarpaulin, so Maruyama tarp. So yeah, so for now, yan muna yung ginagamit ko as a door covering for the whole tiny workshop na ginagamit ko for my build. So I think that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. If nakaabot ka dito sa part na to, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And once again, my name is Lefren, and you're watching DIY Architect. Peace!